This video walks you through how to change your Wise card spending limits. Start by logging in to your Wise account. Enter your account details and continue to the main dashboard. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu and click Cards. This opens the section where your Wise cards and card settings are managed. Inside the Cards area, select your spending limits. This is where Wise groups the controls for how much can be spent with your card setup. On this page, you may see options for account-wide limits as well as limits tied to an individual card, so it helps to pay attention to which section you are updating before you make any changes. If you want to update the limits that apply across your account, go to the Account Limits section and click Edit. This opens the fields for the spending amounts that apply at the account level. If instead you want to adjust the limit for one specific card, look under Limits per card and click Set Limits next to that card. Make sure you choose the correct card before continuing, especially if you have more than one listed in your Wise account. After you open the relevant limits screen, enter your preferred daily and monthly spending limits. Depending on what is shown for your account or selected card, you may also be able to set the total limit and the ATM withdrawal limit. Type in the amounts you want for each field that applies. As you enter these values, keep the screen in view and confirm that each amount is going into the intended limit category. Since daily, monthly, total, and ATM withdrawal controls are handled separately, once the new amounts are entered, take a moment to review the updated limits. Check that the figures match what you want for your account or for the specific card you selected. This review matters because once the changes are saved, those new spending limits will become the active settings for your Wise card. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to save your changes. Wise will then apply the updated spending limits. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for it to finish so you can be sure the update has gone through. After confirmation, your new spending limits will take effect on your Wise card. That means the daily, monthly, total, or ATM withdrawal amounts you entered will now be the active limits used for card spending based on the section you updated. Thanks for watching. Your Wise card spending limits are now updated and in effect.